शिखरे सिद्धगन्धर्वसेविते तत्र कल्पलता पुष्प मन्दिरेऽत्यन्तसुन्दरे व्याघ्राजिने समासीनं शुकादिमुनिवन्दितं बोधयन्तं परं तत्त्वं मध्ये मुनिगणं क्वचित् प्रणम्रवदना शश्वन्नमस्कुर्वन्तमादरात् दृष्ट्वा विस्मयमापन्ना पार्वती परिपृच्छति.
Parvati came to Sabha Lord Shiva, seated on beautiful Mount Kailas. With deep devotion she bowed her head. In a reverent voice she said,
भगवन् सर्वधर्मज्ञ व्रतानां व्रतनायकं ब्रूहि मे कृपया शम्भो गुरुमाहात्म्यमुत्तमम्.
I surrender to thee, O adorable Lord, supreme teacher of the universe, eternally pure, O highest God. Please teach me of the Satguru.
न व्यक्तव्यमिदं देवी रहस्यातिरहस्यकं न कस्यापि पुरा प्रोक्तं त्वद्भक्त्यर्थं वदामि तत्. मम रूपासि देवी ममतस्तत् कथयामि ते. लोकोपकारकः प्रश्नो न तेनापि कृतः परा.
Shiva spoke to goddess Parvati, though art that it has been proclaimed. No one's ever asked this boon but thee, but I'll give it to everyone.
यो गुरुः स शिवः प्रोक्तो यः शिवः स गुरुः स्मृतः. विकल्पं यस्तु कुर्वीत स नरो गुरुतल्पगः.
I'm revealing, O beautiful one, the mystery of the universe. God's not different from the Satguru. In truth they are always one.
वेदशास्त्रपुराणानि चेतहासादिकानि च मन्त्रयन्त्रविद्यादीनि मोहनोच्चाटनादिकम्. शैवशाक्तागमादीनि यन्ने च बहवो मतः. अपभ्रंशः समस्तानां जीवानां भ्रान्तचेतसां. जपस्तपो व्रतं तीर्थं यज्ञो दानं तथैव च गुरुतत्त्वं विज्ञाय सर्वं व्यर्थं भवेत् प्रिये.
Penance, vows and sacrifice, pilgrimages and charity, leave that seeker in ignorance who knows not the Guru's word.
गुरुबुद्ध्यात्मनो नान्यत सत्यं सत्यं वरानने. कल्लाभार्थं प्रयतस्तु कर्तव्यश्च मनीषिभिः.
The Guru verily is consciousness, there is no doubt he's absolute. There's a wise man who seeks the truth, will find it in his Satguru.
गूढा विद्या जगन्माया देहश्चाज्ञानसम्भवः. विज्ञानं यत्प्रसादेन गुरुशब्देन कथ्यते.
Because of doubt and ignorance, truth is hidden from the scattered mind. Guru removes it with his light, the Divine Mother is revealed.
देहि ब्रह्म भवेदस्मात् त्वत्कृपार्थं वदामि तत्. सर्वपापविशुद्धात्मा श्रीगुरुः पादसेवनात्.
When devotee serves at his master's feet, all his sins will be washed away. His peaceful mind will reflect self. In love I disclose this to thee.
गुरुपादो सात्विकं पानं गुरुरिच्छष्टिभोजनं गुरुर्मूर्ते सदा ध्यानं गुरुर्नामः सदा जपः.
Drink the water from the Guru's feet. Take prasad which he leaves for thee. Repeat his mantram reverently. Meditate on his form divine.
काशी क्षेत्रं निवासश्च जाह्नवी चरणोदकं गुरुर्विश्वेश्वरः साक्षात् तारकं ब्रह्म निश्चयः.
All holy rivers and sacred spots, holy trees and holy lands reside in the water from the Guru's feet. Salutations I offer him.
तस्मात् कैवल्यसिद्ध्यर्थं गुरुमेव भजेत् प्रिये. गुरुं विना न जानन्ति मूढास्तत्परं पदम्.
On his form meditate all day. Sing in the heart his holy name. Follow his teachings carefully. Let the mind ever rest on him.
गुरुवक्त्रे स्थितं ब्रह्म प्राप्यते तत्प्रसादतः. गुरुर्ध्यानं सदा कुर्यात् पुरुषं सैरली यथा.
Supreme knowledge from the Guru's lips can be realized through his grace alone. Inside the heart keep his precious love as a wife keeps her husband there.
स्वाश्रमं च स्वजातिं च स्वकीर्ति पुष्टिवर्धनम्. एतद् सर्वं परित्यज्य गुरुमेव समाश्रये.
Forget the role that you play in life. Let go of status, success and fame. In each situation in which you are placed, remember the Guru's name.
गुरुवक्त्रे स्थिता विद्या गुरुभक्त्या च लभ्यते. त्रैलोक्ये स्फुटवतारो देवर्षि पितृमानवः.
Not gods or demons of any realm know the wisdom of Sadguru, but serve him with the purest love. His knowledge will bloom in thee.
ऋकारश्चान्धकारो हि ऋकारस्तेज उच्यते. अज्ञानग्रासकं ब्रह्म गुरुरेव न संशयः.
Syllable Gu represents darkness, syllable Ru for radiant light. There is no doubt Guru is the Lord. He dispels darkness with his light.
ऋकारः प्रथमो वर्णो मायादिगुणभासकः. ऋकारोऽस्ति परं ब्रह्म मायाभ्रान्तिविमोचकम्.
Gu is illustrate changing world, that which appears to be real to men. Ru is the supreme consciousness, ever free from Maya's wheel.
एवं बहुविधा लोके गुरुवः सन्ति पार्वती. तेषु सर्वत्रत्वेन सेव्यो हि परमो गुरुः.
With and shaking faith the wise men say, there is nothing higher than the Sadguru. Everything he could possibly use, the aspirant should offer him.
ध्रुवं तेषां च सर्वेषां नास्ति तत्त्वं गुरुः परम्. आसनं शयनं वस्त्रं वाहनं भूषणादिकम्.
Devotees should try to please their Lord with all the gifts they offer him. To win his gifts forevermore, dedicate thy life to him.
साधकेन प्रदातव्यं गुरुः सन्तोषकारणम् गुरुराराधनं कुर्यात् यत् प्रियं तत् निवेदयेत्
Continually serve the Sadguru in every thought and word and deed. Prostrate fully in front of him without reservation in thy mind.
शरीरम् अर्थ सर्वस्वं सद्गुरुभ्यो निवेदयेत् येनो इदं सर्वं तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Surrender all to the Sadguru, body, senses and vital force. Let go thy hold of your relatives, offer him thy very soul.
संसारवृक्षमारूढः पतन्ति नरकार्णवे यस्तानुत्तरते सर्वान् तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः
Guru frees souls from the tree of life, lifting them to heights divine. Even those drowning in depths of pain, salutations I offer him.
शोषणं पापपङ्कस्य दीपनं ज्ञानतेजसः गुरुः पादोदकं सम्यक् संसारार्णवतारकम्
He's the first cause of the world, the bridge to cross the worldly sea. The source of knowledge is him. Salutations to the Sadguru.
द्वैताद्वैत विनिर्मुक्तः स्वानुभूति प्रकाशवान् अज्ञानान्धतमश्चैता सर्वज्ञ परमो गुरुः
With his stick of divine knowledge, the Guru opens the blind man's eyes. Wheeled by clouds of ignorance, Guru makes him see again.
विद्याधनं बलं चैव तेषां भाग्यनिरर्थकं येषां गुरुकृपा नास्ति अधो गच्छन्ति पार्वती
Thou art my mother and father too. Thou art my brother and my friend. Thou art my knowledge and my wealth, my light of light thou art.
यावत् कल्पान्तको देहः तावत् देवी गुरुं स्मरेत् गुरुलोपो न कर्तव्यः स्वच्छन्दो यदि वा भवेत्
Guru's existence makes life go on. He's the sun by whose light we live. His love makes all love possible. Salutations I offer him.
येन चिन्तयते देहि चित्तच्छेदयते यतः जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्त्यादि तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
He enables mind to perceive this one, although we can't know him with the mind. The witness of all three states of mind, waking, dreaming and deepest sleep.
यस्य ज्ञानमिदं विश्व न दृश्यं भिन्न भावतः सदैकरूपरूपाय तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
He is known only when we don't know him. Those who claim to know him not, nothing else but he exists. Salutations to the Sadguru.
यस्य कारणरूपस्य कार्यरूपेण भान्ति यः कार्यकारणतायेति तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Verily thou art the primal cause, though men see you as an effect. You are cause and effect in one. Salutations I offer thee.
चातुर्य विद्यावान् विवेकी च अध्यात्मज्ञानवान् शुचिः मानसं निर्मलं यस्य गुरुत्वं तस्य शोभते
Supreme form of Guru's pure nectar, to one with the eye of discrimination. A blind man's eye cannot see the sun, so is his glory hid.
स्वदेशिकस्यैव च नाम कीर्तनं भवेदनन्तस्य शिवस्य कीर्तनं स्वदेशिकस्यैव च नाम चिन्तनं भवेदनन्तस्य शिवस्य चिन्तनम्
To meditate on the Guru's form is to meditate on the ever prayer. To chant with devotion the Guru's name is to chant Lord Shiva's name.
प्रविष्टस्य दिग्मोहभ्रान्तचेतसः येन सन्दर्शितः पन्थः तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः
A speck of dust from the Master's feet forms a bridge over the sea of change. All our delusion can be undone. Worship Him in everyone.
सकल भुवन दृष्टिः कल्पिता शेष दृष्टिः अक्षगण परमेष्टिः तत्पदार्थैक दृष्टिः निखिल शमन दृष्टिः संपदार्थैक दृष्टिः भवगुण परमेष्टिः मेरुसारैक दृष्टिः
His dance creates and nourishes the world. He penetrates the sense of scripture. Ignoring wealth, his eyes are fixed, ever on the final goal.
यस्य दर्शनमात्रेण मनसः स्यात् प्रसन्नता स्वयं भूयात् धृतिशान्तिः स भवेत् परमो गुरुः
His glance pillar that supports the world. It showers compassion and grace on all. Permitted by bliss of consciousness, may His glass enlighten me.
मन्त्रराजमिदं देवी गुरुरित्यक्षरद्वयं स्मृतिवेदपुराणानां सारमेव न संशयः
The word Guru is the best mantram, as pure as the gold refined by fire, tested fully in reason's flame, forever protect us from death.
सर्वकाल विदेशेषु स्वतन्त्रतो निश्चल सुखी अखण्डैकर सास्वाद तृप्तो हि परमो गुरुः
He appears to move though He doesn't move, appears as near though He's far away. He is within and without as well. He resides in the hearts of all.
सर्वज्ञ पदमित्याहुर्देवी सर्वमयो भुवि सदानन्दः सदा शान्तो रमते यत्र कुत्रचित्
I'm stainless and totally pure before the stars and galaxies, even before the creations of life, blissful and imperishable.
सर्वश्रुति शिरोरत्नं विराजित पादाम्बुजं वेदान्तार्थ प्रवक्तारं तस्मात् सम्पूजयेत् गुरुम्
Always remember the Sadguru. Knowledge dawns through His gracious light, through the scriptures or inference, or through one's experience.
अत्यन्त चित्तपक्वस्य श्रद्धा भक्तियुतस्य च प्रवक्तव्यमिदं देवी ममात्मा प्रीतये सदा
O Parvati, to thee I speak. this theme on which thou should reflect. Thy heart is pure, thy mind is serene, so the truth shall dawn in thee.
यद्यपि अधीताः निगमाः षडङ्गः आगमः प्रिये अध्यात्मादिशास्त्राणि ज्ञानं नास्ति गुरुं विना.
The crest rails of all scriptures serve but to decorate the Guru's feet. He's the sun with his rays of light. He opens the lotus of truth.
यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण ज्ञानमुत्पद्यते स्वयं सः एव सर्वसम्पत्तिः तस्मात् सम्पूजयेत् गुरुम्.
By merely remembering the Satguru, spontaneous knowledge will dawn in thee. Attaining him all will be attained. Salutations I offer him.
अगोचरं तथा गम्यं नामरूपविवर्जितं निःशब्दं तु विजानीयात् स्वभावात् ब्रह्म पार्वती.
He is peace and bliss supreme, transcending all he's without stain. Beyond sound, visions and bondages, salutations I offer him.
बहुजन्म कृतात् पुण्या लभ्यते सौमः गुरु लब्ध्वा न पुनर्याति शिष्यः संसारबन्धनम्.
Through the fire self-knowledge, accumulate karmas from all past life, have been erased by the flame of truth. Salutations to the Satguru.
गुरुरेको जगत् सर्वं ब्रह्म विष्णु शिवात्मकं गुरुः परतरं नास्ति तस्मात् सम्पूजयेत् गुरुम्.
No truth is higher than the Satguru. Nothing purifies more than service to him. Nothing realized could be higher than him. Salutations to the Satguru.
गुरुः शिवो गुरुर्देवो गुरुर्बन्धु शरीरिणां गुरुरात्मा गुरुर्जीवो गुरुरन्यन्न विद्यते.
My Guru is the Lord of universe. My Guru the master of all worlds. Myself is the self of everything. Salutations to the Satguru.
न सुखं वेदशास्त्रेषु न सुखं मन्त्रयन्त्रके गुरुः प्रसादादन्यत्र सुखं नास्ति महीतले. चावार्क वैष्णव मते सुखं प्रभाकरे नहि गुरुः पादान्तिके यद्व सुखं वेदान्त सम्मतम्.
The root of meditation is Guru's mouth. The root of worship the Guru's feet. The root of mantram is Guru's word. The root of freedom is his grace.
अपूर्वं परं नित्यं स्वयं ज्योतिर्निरामयं विरजं परमाकाशं ध्रुमानन्दं ययम्.
He has no beginning, he's without end. God and Guru are always one. Nothing is higher than the Satguru. Salutations I offer him.
शिवे रुष्टे गुरुस्त्राता गुरोरुष्टे न कश्चन लब्ध्वा कुलगुरुं सम्यं गुरुमेव समाश्रये.
The Guru can protect from Lord's anger, but none can be safe from Guru's wrath. Therefore strive with all thy hearts to find refuge at Guru's feet.
गुरु विष्णु सत्वो मयो राजसश्चतुराननः तामसो रुद्ररूपेण सृजत्यवति हन्ति च.
The whole universe is contained in him. He creates, sustains and destroys too. Nothing but himself in this world exists. Prostrations to the Satguru.
यावत् कल्पान्तको देहस्तावत् देवी गुरुं स्मरेत्। गुरुलोपो न कर्तव्यः स्वच्छन्दो यदि वा भवेत्।
Realization of self in you is won through devotion to Satguru. Nothing is greater, he is alone. Meditate on him, his grace is one.
महाहंकार गर्वेण तपो विद्या बलेन च भ्रमन्ते तस्मिन् संसारे घटियन्त्रं तथा पुनः।
The one is endowed with self-discipline. Learning and strength may have been acquired. One still spins on illusion's wheel due to ego and selfish pride.
यत्किनोऽपि न मुक्तः स्युः न मुक्तः योगिनस्तथा। तापसा अपि नो मुक्तो गुरुतत्त्वतत्परान्मुखा। देवगन्धर्वः पितृयक्षास्तुतुं वरुः। मुन्योऽपि न जानन्ति गुरुशुश्रूषणे विधिम्।
Not even gods in heaven are free, nor angels, not spirits on astral planes. Bondage ties down even the saints if they'll not serve the Satguru.
गुरुर्ध्यानेनैव नित्यं देहि ब्रह्ममयो भवेत्। स्थितश्च यत्र कुत्रापि मुक्तोऽसौ नात्र संशयः।
Supreme Goddess, O Parvati, meditate on Guru ceaselessly. Pleasures and comforts will be yours. Liberation will open its doors.
यथा गन्धस्वभावत्वं कर्पूरकुसुमादिषु शीतोष्णत्वस्वभावत्वं तथा ब्रह्मणि शाश्वतम्।
I remember my Guru who is Brahman. I speak to my Guru who is Brahman. Surrender to my Guru who is Brahman. I serve him as Brahman too.
ज्ञानशक्ति समारूढं तत्त्वमाला विभूषितं भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदातारं तं गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्।
Salutations to the Supreme One, full of bliss and happiness. Knowledge personified, infinite, eternal, pure and free.
ब्रह्मानन्दं परम सुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावतीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि।
He is the goal of the abstract, the witness of all the universe, free from nature qualities, beyond the finite mind.
हृदय अम्बुजे कर्णिका मध्य संस्थे सिंहासने संस्थित दिव्यमूर्तिमान् ध्यायेत गुरुं चन्द्रकलावतंसं सच्चित्त सुखभीष्ट वरं दधानम्।
His form is seated on a throne divine, in the lotus of thy heart. He shines like the moon, bestowing boons. He awakens the conscious mind.
त्रिनेत्रोद्भवशीतः चतुर्बाहुस्त्रिलोचनः यः चतुरो वदनो ब्रह्मा श्रीगुरुः कथितो प्रिये।
At don't remember the Satguru. Do I do I'm Lord of Peace. In the lotus of mind He dwells, giving fearlessness to everyone.
ध्यानं शृणु महादेवी सर्वानन्दप्रदायकं सर्वसौख्यकरं चैव भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदायकम्.
Service to the Guru brings highest joy. Service to the Guru brings highest joy. This is the word of Lord Shiva. This is what Lord Shiva says.
दृश्य विस्मृति पर्यन्तं कुर्याद गुरुपदार्चनं तादृशैव कैवल्यं न च तद्वतिरेकिणः.
When one meditates on his Satguru, knowledge comes to him naturally. One becomes aware of his own freedom through the grace of the Satguru.
तस्यावलोकनं प्राप्य सर्वसङ्गविवर्जितः एकाकी निःस्पृशान्तः स्थातव्यं तत्प्रसादतः.
Purify the thoughts within thy mind by following path which Guru shows. Free your mind of all desires. Get released from the senses grasp.
गुरु प्रसादतः स्वात्मन्यात्मा रामनिरीक्षणात् समता मुक्ति मार्गेण स्वात्मज्ञान प्रवर्तते.
The essence is the object to know. What perceives subjective mind. Understand the essence of knower and known. Unlock liberation's door.
सप्तकोटि महामन्त्रा चित्तविध्वंसकारकः एक एव महामन्त्रो गुरुरित्यक्षरद्वयम्.
Amongst the scriptures, weighty words, none is mighty as word Guru. Its holy power is surpassed by none. It awakens to the highest state.
विजानन्ति महावाक्यं गुरुश्चरण सेवया ते वै सन्न्यासिनः प्रोक्ता इतरे वेषधारिणः.
One who serves his Guru faithfully, though unaware of scripture's laws, he is truly a sannyasin. Orange robes are not the sign.
नित्यं ब्रह्म निराकारं निर्गुणं बोधयेत परं भास्यन् ब्रह्म भावं च दीपो दीपान्तरं यथा.
As a bright lamp light an unlit lamp, so the Guru imparts his truth. Through his grace we become aware of the nameless, formless one.
अजोऽहम् अरोऽहं च ज्ञानादिनिधनोऽयम् अविकारश्चिदानन्दो यणीयान् महतमः.
Prostrations to Sachidanand, without distinction the one supreme. He abides in his own truth self, everlasting, perfect and whole.
अङ्गुष्ठमात्रं पुरुषं ध्यायेत् चिन्मयं हृदि तत्र स्फुरति यो भावः शृणु तत् कथयामि ते.
Beyond the beyond, he is highest one, eternal bestower of happiness. He lives in center of your heart, like a crystal pure and bright.
स्फटिके स्फटिकं रूपं दर्पणे दर्पणो यथा तथात्मनि चिदाकारमानन्दं सोऽहमित्यतः.
The pure mind reflects his own image, like a mirror that is straight and clean. Consciousness and bliss our own true self, shining deep within.
Guru गुरुपदिष्टमार्गेण मनः सिद्धिं तु कारयेत् अनित्यं खण्डयेत् सर्वं यत्किञ्चिदात्मगोचरम्
Unite with all the universe by knowing that which is its source. Nothing else can compare to this. Everything is unreal.
भिद्यते हृदयग्रन्थि छिद्यन्ते सर्वसंशयः क्षीयन्ते सर्वकर्माणि गुरुः करुणया शिवे.
After knowing one's own true self, which is unveiled through the Guru's grace, attachments and desires fall away. In his own peace man is free.
साम्येन रमते ज्ञानी दिवावाय देवानिशि एवं विधौ महामौनी त्रैलोक्य समतां व्रजे.
Enjoy everything that comes to you, whether great, small or nothing at all. Accept it all with a tranquil mind, free from anxiety.
नाम जपाद्वेपि बहुजन्मार्जितान्यपि पापानि विलयं यान्ति नास्ति सन्देहमन्वपि.
After knowing what can be known, one's bound soul can become divine. It doesn't matter where he may be, his heart will rest in peace.
यस्य दर्शनमात्रेण मनसः स्यात् प्रसन्नता स्वयं भूयात् धृतिः शान्तिः स भवेत् परमो गुरुः.
Now Parvati, you have been shown the way. The Guru's words thou must obey. Devotion, dedication, meditation lead a man to salvation.
गुरु गीतामिमां देवी हृदि नित्यं विभावय महाव्याधिगतैर्दुःखै सर्वदा प्रजपेन्मुदा.
I have revealed the truth today. It is contained in this song. Repeat it daily with reverence. Overcome all worldliness.
अनन्तफलमाप्नोति गुरुगीता जपेन तु सर्वपापहरा देवी सर्वदारिद्र्यनाशिनी.
Infinite treasure will be obtained through repeating this song of love. All obstacles will be overcome. Deprivation will end for thee.
सर्वोपद्रव कुष्ठादि दुष्टदोष निवारिणी यत्फलं गुरु सान्निध्यात् तत्फलं पठनात् भवेत्.
It helps eradicate all disease. It opens the doors to success and wealth. All can be captivated by your charm if you sing this sacred song.
कुशदुर्वासने देवी यासने शुभ्रकम्बले उपविश्य ततो देवी जपेदेकाग्रमानसः.
Sing this song with one pointedness while seated on a mat of grass. Or if this is not available, a folded blanket is fine.
मोहनं सर्वभूतानां बन्धमोक्षकरं परं देवराज्ञा प्रियाकरं राजानं वशवानये.
This mantra destroys all our bondages and helps one to realize his true freedom. Thus one becomes the king of kings and verily the lights of lights.
मुखस्तम्भ्यकरं चैव गुणानाचं विवर्धनं दुष्कर्म नाशनं चैव तथा सत्कर्म सिद्धिदम्.
All virtues manifest in thee, powers of speech will be granted too. Undesired karmas will be raised, thy capacity to serve will grow.
मोह शान्तिकरं चैव बन्धमोक्षकरं परम्. स्वरूप ज्ञाननिलयं गीतां शास्त्रमिदं शिवे.
Health thy birthright will be renewed with prosperity, peace and happiness. Sing this song with desirelessness, realize that you are free.
ज्ञानं विना मुक्तिपदं लभ्यते गुरु भक्तितः. गुरुः सामानतो नान्यात् साधनं गुरुमार्गिणम्.
All benefit come from this Guru hymn, no matter what fate, color, caste or creed. The truth is the same, however told. Serve the Guru in everyone.
काम्य जपस्थानं कथयामि वरानने. सागरान्ते सरितीरे तीर्थे हरिहरालये. शक्ति देवालये गोष्ठे सर्वदेवालये शुभे. वटस्य धात्रमूले वा मठे वृन्दावने तथा पवित्रे निर्मले देशे. नित्यानुष्ठानोऽपि वा निर्विघ्नेन मौनेन जप में तत् समारभे.
Sing this song in a peaceful place, from distracting disturbances, where the sea laps against the shore, near river or temple pure.
सर्वसन्देह सन्दोह निर्मूलन विचक्षणः. जन्म मृत्यु भयद्यो यः स गुरुः परमो मतः.
Worldly desires will washed away, from Maya's traps you will be free. To cut the bonds of birth and death, but thyself in Guru's song.
भवमूल विनाशाय चाष्टपाश निवृत्तये. गुरुगीताभसि स्नानं तत्त्वज्ञ कुरुते सदा. सर्वशुद्ध पवित्रोऽसौ स्वभावात् यत्र तिष्ठति. तत्र देवगणाः सर्वे क्षेत्रपीठे चरन्ति च.
The gods reside where the Guru lives. All heaven on earth is manifest. There are his constant company. Near his residence they abide.
आसनास्था वा गच्छन्तस्तिष्ठनोऽपि वा. अश्वारूढा गजारूढा सुषुप्ता जागृतोऽपि वा. शुचिभूता ज्ञानवन्तो गुरुगीता जपन्ति ये. तेषां दर्शन संस्पर्शात् पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते.
Whether standing, sitting or reclining, awake, asleep in the car, however one may move around, sing this sacred Guru song.
बहुजन्म कृतात् पुण्या लभ्यते सौ महागुरुः. लब्ध्वा न पुनर्याति शिष्यं संसारबन्धनम्.
Sing this love song reverently, with sincerity and regularity. All that know thee will be blessed. You never need be reborn.
समुद्रे वै यथा तोयं क्षीरे क्षीरं घृते घृतं. भिन्ने कुम्भे यथाकाशं तथात्मा परमात्मनि.
Limited expands to unlimited, like the river flows into the sea. Milk is the same in a jar or cup, Man and God are forever one.
साम्येन रमते ज्ञानी दिवा वा यदि वा निशि एवं विधौ महामुनि त्रैलोक्य समताम्रजे.
The wise man knows equanimity, unaffected by night or day. Matters not what work he does, his mind is always calm.
अखण्डेकर संब्रह्म नित्यमुक्तं निरामयं स्वमिन सन्दर्शितं येन स भवेदस्य देशिकः.
Within himself he rests in bliss, the state of supreme consciousness. With dedication and devotion to, he ceaselessly serves the Lord.
सत्यं सत्यं पुनः सत्यं धर्मसारं मयोदितं गुरुगीता समं स्तोत्रं नास्ति तत्त्वं गुरुः परम्.
There is no prayer that can compare to this prayer I give to thee. This is true, this is verily true. There is no higher doctrine known.
गुरुर्देवो गुरुर्धर्मो गुरुर्निष्ठा परं तपः गुरोः परं तरं नास्ति त्रिवारं कथयामि ते.
The Guru is absolute supreme God. The highest penance is faith in him, in his teachings and service true. The Guru is highest truth.
धन्या माता पिता धन्यो पुत्रं धन्य कुलो भवः धन्या च वसुधा देवी यत्र स्याद गुरुभक्तता.
Blessed are all the relatives, blessed are the ancestors of one who serves the Sadguru. Such a soul is rare indeed.
शरीरमैन्द्रियं प्राणश्चार्थ स्वजना बन्धुतां मातृकुलं पितृकुलं गुरुरेव न संशयः.
The Guru is beyond a doubt. Our body, senses and breath of life, our father, mother and loved ones too. He's our eternal wealth.
कुलमेव पवित्रं स्यात् सत्यं स्वगुरुसेवया तृप्तः स स्युकला देवा ब्रह्माद्या गुरुतर्पणा.
When one satisfies the Satguru, all God's grace is easily won. Scores of lifetime sacrifice yield their fruits when he's pleased.
कल्पजन्म कोटिनां यज्ञव्रत तपः क्रियाः ताः सर्वा सफला देवी गुरु संतोष मात्रतः. मंदभाग्या ह्यशक्ताश्च ये जना नानुमन्वते गुरुसेवासु विमुखा पच्यन्ते नरकेषु च.
Through austerities and discipline, one may gain some strength and power, but such a one is unfortunate who serves not the Satguru.
गुरु भावः परं तीर्थ मन्य तीर्थं निरर्थकं सर्वतीर्थं मयं देवी श्रीगुरो शरणं भुजम्.
To the Satguru's lotus feet, make thy purest pilgrimage. The sacred temples and holy lands are all contained in him.
अकाल मृत्यु हन्त्री च सर्वसङ्कटनाशिनी यक्ष राक्षस भूतानि चोर व्याघ्र विघातिनी.
Victory over death is won by him who sings this sacred song. He will accomplish all his work, salvation he will attain.
अत्यन्तचित्तपक्वस्य श्रद्धा भक्तियुतस्य च प्रवक्तव्यमिदं देवी ममात्मा प्रीतये सदा.
Please share this song I offer thee with those that seek the eternal truth, to those who are pure of heart and mind, those who have sincerity.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य विषव्याक्रान्तचेतसः ज्ञानप्रभाप्रदानेन प्रसादं कुरु मे प्रभो.
This song of Lord Shiva to Parvati reminds us where our every thought should be. I offer this to thee, O adorable Lord. Thy grace is my heart's reward. Thy presence is my heart's reward. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. जय श्री सद्गुरु महाराज की जय.